Hey YouTube, just shot another bird with my Daisy Grizzly. This time it was with a pointed pellet. I was right here. It was right on that branch. And so I saw it there, and so I wanted to get it from inside, so what I did was cut a slit right here, which you can't really tell, but cut a slit right there. Gave me a direct shot. I was aiming for its head. Saw it flutter, so I put a flathead pellet in the pellet gun just in case I need to finish it off, but I didn't. It shot it, but I'll show you where in a second. Now this one I should have done a live. I should have done it live because you would have saw clearly that, well, how I shot it. So yeah, right there, that branch came down. Then it actually did a big flutter right over here. I already moved it so I could show you where I shot it. It went right in the neck, right there. Yep. And then on the way back, I had a flathead pellet in. I heard that annoying sparrow, I think it's a sparrow, noise, and it jumped into here. And right in there, right there it is. I shot it in the head too, so, yep. I'll try to do more hunting videos. They're mostly all with the Daisy Grizzly. Today's not really a good day since it's so windy out. Like, yeah, you can't even tell that it's windy, but it's windy out. If I get another one, I'll post it. For now, that's all.